Take command of the road in the 2012 Toyota Tacoma. This 4-door, 5-passenger truck provides exceptional value. It features 4-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, skid plates, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.